Get everybody there at Gates. I hope you are very well. For those that came through part 2 of the 4-part series, for which I just finished presenting, I hope you enjoyed it. And part 3 will be next week. Okay, so let me jump in here and have a look at the markets with you right now. There's one trade in particular that I am very keen on. But before I get there, let's have a quick little sticky bick here at Bitcoin. Of course, it pulled back into the cradle zone, broke higher, and it's holding its ground. Obviously, what I want to see is a push higher. I want to see this become a higher low off of 11,200 and push further on towards 12,000 and infinity and beyond, as the old Toy Story saying goes. Good convergence through here. We're looking at this high to this high, there, here to here. Good convergence, looking very, very nice indeed. Now, as far as it goes for me, right now, if I go down to my 8-hour time frame, there's really nothing that I'm stalking all that closely on Bitcoin. But I will take you and show you the chart that is of the highest, well, the closest to me actually taking a trade here, and it comes down to Bitcoin Cash on this daily. And for those that just went through that part too, you'll note higher low, higher high, pulling back. From this high here to this high here, we are, from here to here, convergent. And that's fantastic. It ties in really nicely with that part 2. And if you haven't watched the part 2 section, no dramas at all. Tomorrow morning, I shall have that recording up so that you can all get access and watch that. But don't miss next week. What's the time now for me? It will be starting about 3 hours ago, this time next week. Now, bullish candle in the cradle zone, moving averages in the correct order, good convergence. My opportunity here is if price breaks up through the high of this candle, that's the signal for me to be long, with a stop down here. Now, that's just based purely on the rules, which will come next week. But I want to start to give you a bit of a better understanding for what exactly I'm looking for. And when I say good or optimal chart structure, this is the sort of thing that I'm looking for. If I jump out of there just one moment and show you the weekly as well, you'll note that the weekly isn't showing me a great deal. Yes, it's found support around that $203 mark, and we're moving away. The next higher point is around that 275 region, and there's plenty of room for us to accelerate towards that level. But for me tonight and into the morning, this is going to be the order that I have hotly on my books, and it is on the daily. As I say, it is a cradle trading strategy. If it breaks the high there, that's the sort of thing that I'm looking for. Now, there's not too much else out there right now that really fits the bill. If I come in and have a look at the spot market, and I go for, where am I going for? XMR. There it is. Come on up, XMR. Step up to the platform. And I want to show it to you on the daily more than any other time frame, because this is the time frame that I've liked. Again, I'll blow this up nice and big. Full screen, that'll do. Pulled back into, the moving averages have changed here for some strange reason. Let me just quickly change that to 20, and that'll do for now. I'll get rid of that. That's what I want. Pull back into the cradle, bullish candle, broke the high. This is the strategy you'll be learning next week. What I'm now going to be focusing on is the mid time frames, so pullbacks into that cradle zone. But still a lot of work to do there for Monero. And my main, as I say, opportunity for this evening, moving into my tomorrow morning, is certainly going to be on Bitcoin Cash on that daily time frame. If it breaks the high of that, hey, really, really nice opportunity. Really good trend, very good cyclicity. And I hope you join me for next week's presentation, and also for Wednesday night, my Wednesday night. If you've registered for the webinar, you'll get a reminder for when that scan comes out. So guys, open your account with Gate.io. Make sure you are following the social media platforms of Gate, and we'll be teaching you and bringing you through the remainder of the course, as well as pointing you in the right direction for trades that fold in with everything that I've been teaching. Have yourself a great day or evening, whatever it may be, and make sure you call your mates and make sure they're okay. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.